What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shan, aka Chef Shan, and welcome back to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. If you read today's title, then you know this video is all about wine tasting, but it's not your average wine tasting, it's going to be vegan wine tasting. So in this video, I will be telling you guys what makes a wine vegan and non-vegan, and I'm also going to go to a new vegan grocery store here in Stockholm, Sweden, and I'm going to pick up some things to create a cheese board as well. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've made it to the vegan grocery store, and I believe it's called Good Stop. I'll drop the name here below, but I am in vegan heaven. Had a huge smile on my face as soon as I walked in the store because there's so many options and so many different things. So I'm gonna have a look around, I'm gonna pick some things up, and I'll keep you guys updated. So we've left the grocery store and now we're going to head to the alcohol store, System Baguette, and we're going to pick up a few different wines that I can find. And I'll just show you guys what the store looks like. And then we're going to head home. Okay, hey you guys, so we're leaving the alcohol store from picking up the wine, and I found a lot of options. I went to the wine store that was closest to my house, and it's actually Stockholm's smallest System Baguette. So they only had about 7 options, I think. So she told me if I go to one that's closer to the city that they'll have more options. So next time I would try that. But I did find some great options to try for you guys, and I'm really excited about that. So I'll see you guys later to taste those out. So I'm finally back home from a long day of shopping, and I'm just going to show you guys everything that I bought today. Went to a couple of different stores and picked up a few different items, including the wine and then the vegan grocery store that I did go to. So I'm going to show you guys those items now. Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on here and show you everything that I did pick up at the stores today. I stopped by a plant store and I got this eucalyptus plant. I do plan on putting this in my shower to let the steam run off the oils. Really great benefits to this. I also went by the wine store, as you can see. Found 7 different vegan wines, which was very surprising for me. I'm probably not going to taste all of them in one video, but I do plan to taste at least one red, one white, and then one of the rosé ones. I found some vegan shrimp at the vegan grocery store. Super excited about those. Don't know exactly what meal I'm going to cook with those, but stay tuned because I will definitely make a video for those. And I picked up some meats for my cheese board. These are the 2 different ones that I plan to use. I also picked up several different styles and flavors of crackers that I plan to use for the cheese boards. I found these cookies. I seen another vegan YouTuber recommend these, so I did want to get a few of them and try them out. I got 3 different flavors, so I'm probably going to do a review video on those, so look out for that. I also got this spicy tomato spread for the cheese board, and then the apricot jam. Picked up some grapes, and I also got a few different cheeses. So I got this cheddar style caramelized red onion, a paprika flavor, and then I got something that's really comparable to brie. And I also got this cheddar cheese block by Violife, and I also picked up a facial scrub from the vegan grocery store. Just wanted to show you guys how I hang the plant up in my shower, and I also did not record the outro for this video, so this will be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so if you like the content, and I will see you guys in my next video.